What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of ST Outdoors. Today I am fishing in a state forest, deep in a state forest. I'm fishing this Class A wild trout stream. Not very big, as you can tell, but I believe it's supposed to mostly have brookies. Wouldn't be surprised if there was a brown in here, just because it flows into a stock stream, which is actually right there, and that stock stream has a lot of browns in it, so would not be surprised at all. My previous video, I was fishing the stock stream. It's a catch and release open year round right now, so fished that, did really well. Now I'd like to explore this stream and just see if I can catch a couple little brookies out of here. So stick with it, stay tuned. I will see you soon. Had him again. That was a smaller one now I think about it. Oh, it's a sign of life at least. Got one. There we go. First little brookie of the day. Or of the video, I should say. Just a little guy. Sucker for the trout magnet. There we go. Pretty little brook trout. Get him back in here. Where are you going? I'm gonna swim back in my net. Just went through my legs there. There's the first one. We missed a couple so far. That's a good sign. Got one. This is saw him swim right over to it. It's hard with these little brookies, man. You can't feel them. This is the best looking water I've seen all day, though. Got him. Nice one. Not a bad fish for this stream for sure. Like I was saying, that was the best water I've seen so far in this creek. There we go, beautiful little brook trout. Okay, try to dump him back in here and hope to maybe get another fish out of it. Get back in there, buddy. There we go. Nice. One chased it out. Didn't chase it soon enough. Got him. Yes. Another little brookie. These fish are certainly aggressive. I don't think they see many lures. Which is awesome. Another beautiful little brookie. Like I said, I don't think they see much fishing pressure. I mean, it takes a good hike to get in here. I mean, I did see a couple cabins here along the stream, so I guess there's a little bit of access, but I don't know. I'm sure with the mainstream being so close, that gets hit way harder. So this is really cool. I love these type of streams. Love those little brookies. Let's see if we can find a couple more here. Oh wow, he hit that. Oh man, I lost him. I can't believe that. He hit it when it hit the water. I lost him, but man, I must have casted in the perfect spot for him. Got it. Oop, there we go. Oh no, my net's caught on something. There we go, another beautiful brook trout. Back in there. Off he goes. It's like every little nook and cranny though that these fish are just hanging in. Unfortunately, it's getting a little tough to walk. It's better here, but a lot of rhododendrons. So I don't know how much longer I'll fish this. There's not a ton of fish over the water, but when there is one, I mean, they're biting right away. So we'll go for a little bit and see what we can find. Maybe we can grab one more. And they chased it out, but it's too little too late. Got him. Nice. There was a couple in there chasing, so this, maybe we'll get one more. This was going to be my last pool that I fish. We'll see. Maybe we can grab one more fish. This one's really pretty, got the good reds. Very, very pretty brook trout. Beautiful. So cool, I love these fish. There was another one trying to get it there. Ooh, got him. That's it. Oh my gosh. That would have been the biggest fish of the day. Shoot. That was a good one. Probably closer to 7 inches, 6, 7 inches. Would have been the biggest trout of the day for sure. There was another smaller one. Alright, that's gonna do it. I'm really upset that I lost that last one because that would have been the biggest one of the day. But hey, it's alright. I mean, when you can be out in all of this, you know, you really can't complain. Beautiful little stream. Probably would explore it some more another time. But it's been a long day already. Fished quite a bit on the bigger stream. Fished this for an hour and a half or so. But I'm gonna head back, I guess. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this little video. Some pretty little brookies. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you next time on SC Outdoors.